call me a god. You call me a god.
You got your brand new Honda CRV 2023-2024, and you got the cabin air filter replaced. And now you want to know about that engine air filter. Let me show you how to get to it. First thing first is pop that hood, baby. Go ahead and pop that hood. Listen to it. You heard it. You heard it. One thing about the 2023 Honda CRV, man. Oh, I love it. Yes, baby. All you need for this is just a standard Phillips screwdriver. What you want to do is you want to take off this screw right here. So loosen that or take it off. Now, again, they said that they replaced the filter before I purchased the vehicle, but I know they didn't. So I just jumped on Amazon. I ordered the filters for the car because I know it's gonna need it. And then you take out this screw back here. It's only 2 screws. This one in the back, the one in the front, and that's it. Everything else is by hand. All right, so loosen the screws all the way. Okay, now it's loose. And then what you're gonna do, I recommend take this off. And it's basically by these little holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Basically sit on this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple. And then once you have that loose, you pull this forward like that. It's gonna be a little tight at first, but it's usually like that when you're pulling something out. And then here's the filter. Pull the filter out. So the way the filter comes out is the way you want the new one to go in. So like as you guys can see, filter was never cleaned, never replaced, nothing. You just sold me the car the way it was. This little tab right here has to go in the back. So make sure that the new filter has that tab. Here's a new filter, and then here's that little tab. All right, so with the new filter in hand, let's slide that bad boy back in, like so. Sitting pretty, sitting nice. And then just put the cover back on. And that's it. So all right, once you fought it and got it back in place, just go ahead and tighten down these 2 screws back here. Now, there's one more thing that I know for sure the dealership didn't do. The car only has 8,000 miles, but the service manual says that the first oil change should be done at 5,000 miles. I know for a fact they didn't change this oil at 5,000 miles. They just kept driving it, demoing the car, and then they eventually sold it. So if I was to take this dipstick out, take a look at the oil, it looks pretty dark. It doesn't look honeycomb-like. So I know I need an oil change. So I'll do that next.